Welcome to Little Bird Piano Academy and the Baby-Led Piano series. I'm so excited to teach you the things I've learned over the past many decades. So when I was a little girl, I had a friend who wanted to grow radishes, so she got her dad to help her. They found a nice, warm, sunny spot to plant the radishes. They got the soil ready, they added all the nutrients, and she planted her seeds. And every day, she sang to her radishes at the top of her lungs. One day I asked her why she was doing that, and she said because she thought her radishes would grow better if she sang to them. I think she was right. I thought she was right then, and I still do. I think every living thing thrives better with music, including your baby. Providing a safe environment for your baby to experiment, to experience music, and to feel your deep connection is the best thing you can do for your child. The funny thing is, for your child to grow up and to thrive and to be successful, to learn a lot, it's deep connection to you. So we're going to use the language of music to create that deep connection. And I am so excited to go on this journey with you. I'll see you in the next video.